Hi friends, welcome to day 4 of our Blueprint series. Today we will learn how to create a sound effects and reverse animation by using Blueprint. Open the door blueprint we created in the last video. In the event graph between the begin overlap and the timeline, create a sequence node and connect both by using the sequence node. With it you can call the multiple function. Now call the play sound node and add the appropriate sound. Now duplicate these two nodes and create a n overlap node from the box collision and connect them to the duplicated node. Add a delay for a better interaction. Finally check out the output. Follow me for more Unreal Engine tips and tricks and stay tuned for the next episode.